Combustion. It is a process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat. Now look around you. Are all the substances combustible? Do they all burn? Well, there will be certain substances which undergo combustion and they are known as combustible substances. And some which do not undergo combustion or burn, they are called non-combustible substances. Let us consider some examples. They are kerosene, stone, matchstick, straw, glass, charcoal, paper, iron nails and wood. Now from these substances, you have to decide which of them are combustible substances and which are non-combustible substances. Okay, from these, kerosene, matchstick, straw, charcoal, paper and wood, all of them burn. So they are combustible substances. Whereas iron nails, stone and glass, all of these do not burn. So they come under non-combustible substances. Iron nails, all these kind of metals which are hard and heavy, they generally do not undergo combustion. But there are certain metals like sodium and potassium, they are so reactive that they do undergo combustion even at room temperature. Okay, so we know that combustible substances are those which burn and give off heat. These substances are called fuels. Fuels burn and give off a lot of heat. This heat energy is used by us in our daily life. Like there are fuels which are used in homes. There are fuels which are used in industries. And there are some fuels which are used for our automobiles. Now can you list them out? Okay, your list might contain fuels like cow dung, wood, LPG, coal, charcoal, which are commonly used in our homes and they are also used in industries. Whereas there are fuels like petrol, diesel, CNG, they are used in automobiles. Okay, now think about this. You work so much every day. You go to school, you come home and study, you help your parents, then go to play. Oh my God, so much of work. How does your body manage all this? Where does it get so much of energy from? Is it working on a fuel? Yes, your body works on a fuel and that fuel is nothing but the food you eat. The food you eat is broken down into simpler substances. These substances react with oxygen and give off a lot of heat. Now this heat energy is utilized by your body to do so much of work. So isn't this kind of some combustion? Yes, where the food you eat is going under combustion. So the food is the fuel to your body. So keep eating healthy food and fuel your body every day. Okay, now let us see some more examples of combustible and non-combustible substances. For combustible, we have hydrogen that burns with a popping sound. Then we have carbon monoxide which is also flammable. Then in non-combustible materials, we have oxygen. Oxygen supports burning but it is not combustible, it does not burn. Even chlorine. Chlorine does not burn. Carbon dioxide does not burn. Nitrogen, ammonia, HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfur dioxide, all of these substances do not burn, they are non-combustible. Now there are certain substances which support combustion and there are certain substances which are non-supporter of combustion. So in the presence of substances like oxygen and chlorine, there will always be combustion happening if you burn a substance. Without their presence, we cannot burn any substance. So either oxygen or chlorine we can use for combustion. Then when we come to non-supporter of combustion, the examples are hydrogen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, ammonia, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, then sulfur dioxide and so on. They all are non-supporter of combustion. In their presence only, we cannot burn any substance if we do not have oxygen or chlorine present around.